So in line with the government's goal of integrating citizen engagement and public participation into the progress and development of the country, we present to you a platform called CheckGov. So in CheckGov, please, next slide. This is actually a government it is a platform that improves the processes of services with the government. Kaya diba, in the current status quo, lisod kaayo mag-avail of mga services, lisod mag-kuha of mga etc. whatsoever. So here, gina-simplify na mo ang everything na ginahimo sa government. We will not only help the government, but also the people. Because the goal here is to bridge the government and the citizens by simplifying the processes and the connection that keeps them. So it will provide a step-by-step guidance on how citizens can avail the services, whether it is educational, agriculture, healthcare, or whatsoever. So next slides, we have here the vision. The vision is to be the most trusted platform that empowers every citizen by making government services transparent, accessible, and easy to avail, fostering a community where no one is left behind. So next is the mission. Of course, you have here to provide clear, accurate, and updated information on government programs and services while guiding every citizen with step-by-step instructions, ensuring inclusivity and making opportunities accessible and understandable for all. So that's the mission and vision of the CheckGov. So the next tab, we have here the core values, which is the values that CheckGov really upholds to ensure na niyang mga goals sa kanyang platform is iyahang ma-deliver. So we have here civic inclusivity because we encourage the participation of the people to engage into this platform for them to keep in track and for them to be engaged with the government initiatives. Second is the public accountability because here the services of the government provides transparency para makita ng mga people kung unsa mga processes nga gina-provide, kung unsa mga services nga ginahatag, kung unsa like especially in terms of monetary aspect, makita nila. So makita nila kung aha padulong, kung aha ang mga area nga So makita nila ang public accountability ng government. And also in relation to